Hello, everyone, this is the Cat Excavator digging site you've never seen before. How does it feel? Today, we're taking a closer look at the power of these excavators and their multiple applications in the construction industry. In the modern construction industry, speed, efficiency and reliability make the difference between success and failure. In this fierce competition, Cat excavators are undoubtedly the leaders. With excellent performance and strong working ability, they become the first choice for construction sites. As you can see, the core of a Cat excavator has an excellent working capacity. No matter how complex the terrain, Cat excavators can easily complete tasks from digging to handling with their power and precision. Not only that, but every one of our Cat excavators is equipped with advanced hydraulics and intelligent operator interfaces that allow operators to maintain precise control in complex environments, ensuring efficient and reliable operations every time. Cat excavators do more than just dig, they play an irreplaceable role in all types of construction projects. From foundation building to site clearance, from road laying to demolition work, Cat excavators do it all. Have you ever seen a Cat excavator working in extreme conditions? Even in harsh environments such as cold, heat, and complex terrain, Cat excavators demonstrate unrivaled performance and ruggedness. We offer a wide range of Cat excavator models, from small to large, to meet the different needs of our users and to ensure that you all find the most suitable machine. Whether it's for urban construction, road repair, or large-scale construction that requires extensive digging, Cat excavators can handle it with ease. All in all, Cat excavator not only improves the construction efficiency and reduces the labor cost, but also ensures the safety and quality of the project. The powerful digging strength of Cat excavator can bring more possibilities for your future construction projects. Thank you for watching. We hope you have gained a better understanding of Cat excavators in the construction industry. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting content on excavator equipment. We'll see you in the next installment.